Hello, welcome back to another interesting video in our series, how to set up an online store website in 15 minutes or less using a free and powerful open source e-commerce software called Opencart. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to set up store layouts and modules. Okay, so let's go to the backend of our store. And log in using our login details and open our storefront in a new tab. In our previous videos, we have been able to set up our store shipping cost and then payment methods. Now we need to start organizing our store to showcase the products that we are selling. And to help us do this, we have the catalog modules. So let's go to the backend. Go to extensions and click on extensions. And from the drop down, select modules. We have different catalog modules that we can use to showcase our product in our storefront. And one of them is the Bestsellers module. So we click on the install button here. And after we click on the edit button and give the module instance a name, let's say homepage, then select the number of products that we want to display in the storefront, the image width and image height, and select the enabled status. After we click on the save button. Okay, here we have the homepage instance of the Bestsellers module. Another module that we can use to showcase our products in the storefront is the featured module here. It's already installed and we have a homepage instance here. So we simply click on the edit button here. Okay, here we type and select the products that we want to display in the storefront. Okay, and here we enter the limit and the width and height of the product image, and then from here we select the enabled status, and after we click on the save button here. Okay, another module that we can use to showcase our products in the storefront is the latest module here. We click on the install button and click on edit button here, and let's give the module instance a name, homepage, and limit the image width and height, select enable status, and after we click on the save button. Another module that we can use to showcase our product is the special module. This will display the products with special price in our storefront. So we click on the install button here, and after click on edit, give a name for the image width and height, and select the enable status and click on save button. Okay, and to add these modules to our storefront, we need to go to design and click on layouts. Layout is where we control the design of different pages in our storefront, and here we have different layouts that controls different pages in our storefront. We have the account layout that controls the account pages in our storefront, the affiliate layout, the category layout that controls the category pages in our storefront. We have the checkout layout that controls the checkout page, the default layout, and the homepage layout that controls the homepage. We have the product layout that controls the product pages in our storefront, and the default Opencart theme that we are using has a layout structure that looks like this. Here we have the site header on top, where we have the top bar, the logo, search box, cart section, and the top categories menu. Here we have the site footer, where we have different links on the footer, and we have the column left module position where we can add modules, the content top module position where we can add modules, the content bottom module position where we can add different modules, and the column right module position where we can add different modules. and then we have the content area where we display the content of the page here at the center. Okay, so this is the layout of the default Opencart theme. If you are using a third-party theme, you may have a layout different from what we have here. Okay, so we'll go back to layouts here. If you want to add a module to a layout, you simply click on the edit button beside the layout. For example, let's edit the home page layout. Here we have the layout name, the store, the root. We don't need to bother ourselves with this for now. And here we have the module positions, the column left, the content top, the content bottom, and the column right module positions. Here we have the slideshow module, which is what we have here in the content top module position. And here we have the featured catalog module. And here we have the carousel module, okay, which is the banner we have here. Okay, so let's remove the carousel module for now. Okay, let's add the latest catalog module here, and then let's add the special catalog module and probably the bestseller catalog module. Okay, and after we click on the save button here. Okay, let's go to the storefront and refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, here is our featured module and the latest module also, and here we have the special module. You may be wondering why the bestseller module is not showing. This is because we haven't sold anything in our store. Assuming we have sold some items, the bestseller module will also display alongside these other catalog modules. Okay, so this is our home page after we added the latest, the special, and removed the carousel module. Okay, so let us also edit the category layout. Okay, the category layout controls the category pages like this. This is a category page, and the category layout controls the modules that displays on this page. Okay, so here we have our category layout, and on the left side we have the category module, which is what we have here, and the filter module, which is what we also have here. Okay, so let us add a featured module at the content bottom position and see how it displays at the featured module here. Remember, we can equally create a new instance of the featured module or any of the catalog modules. Okay, so and let's add the latest module here, and after we click on the save button, let us refresh the category page, and here you can see the featured module here, and you can also see the latest module at the bottom equally. Okay, so let us edit the product layout. Let's click on the edit button here. Okay, here the product layout doesn't have any module. Let us add the featured module at the bottom of the product layout and click on the save button here. Okay, let us go to a product and see how that displays. As you can see, we now have the featured module at the bottom of the product page in our store. Okay, as you can see, this is how to set up modules and include them in your storefront using different layouts. Okay, in our next video we are going to learn about banners and how to include them in your storefront using some of the banner modules that we have in our store. Okay, and if you have gained any value by watching this video, please click the like button below this video and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever I drop awesome video on my channel. Thank you and peace.